Hello.
Good morning.
So today we are going for a hike, very unlike us, which should be good.
Yes, we're going to Seoraksan National Park, which is one of the famous ones here in Korea.
Yeah.
We need to get a local bus to there first, which takes about an hour, and then we're going to try and do the Wazi
Something like that.
rock hike, which is like one of the main hikes, which is apparently very steep, so we'll see how that goes.
Yeah, apparently it's not too bad, then suddenly it just goes...
Just lots of stairs at the end.
So we'll give it a go. Should be about, people estimate about what, 4 hours there and back.
Yeah, some people do that and then they do other little hikes if they've got a full day there, but I'm going to try and do the main one and then just see where we are.
Yeah, and we go from there. Yeah.
I just feel like it could rain as well, so
Yeah.
see what we're like.
Yeah. Right, see you in a bit.
So we have made it on the bus to the entrance of the national park, and it is very dramatic. It rained a lot on the way here, so we're hoping that it now stays relatively dry. It's not supposed to rain more, but it wasn't supposed to rain to start with. But it does make it look really dramatic.
Yeah, that's actually
Pretty impressive just from down here.
cable car.
Oh yeah, so there's a cable car that goes up to that peak, but we're probably going to try and walk to a peak that's the other side. Entrance. Ticket office to get in first. Cable car. Rain.
So yeah, you can see the cable car going across there, which is where all those people on those buses are going. And we are going to go that way.
Where are we going? Let's see if we can find a view.
The rain stopped,
Yeah.
and now we're in the jungle. Well,
The
forest.
forest. But it's starting to get like orange leaves above. It would be really nice if it did.
Yeah, you can just about make out the orange.
It's nice and cold. Up.
Up that way.
And we haven't had to pay any extra. It's not slippy at all. This is gonna be fun.
So that's where we're going. We're currently here. That's where we're going.
It's nice and cool though. Little frog. So colourful.
What a view.
probably about halfway up the steep stairs, which keep going from climbing up rocks to actual stairs. But we're getting there. I think there's the top potentially nearly up there.
I think it's 2/3. I think we've got about 200 metres to go. Doesn't sound a lot.
I hope so. It's getting misty, but hopefully we'll get some more.
Hey.
We made it to the top.
Hi. I mean, how about that for a minute?
I mean, you can't see it anymore because the mist just came into it. We have made it back down.
Yeah.
That was a lot on the knees and the hips. But we're now at the temple with a lovely view.
It's worth going though.
Yeah, it's a really good walk.
About 2 and a bit hours up and about just over an hour and a half down.
Yeah.
Good afternoon.
Hi.
So we've had a very lazy / productive morning. We've taken our clothes to the laundry and got things actually properly cleaned.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. Been working on some videos, doing some vlogs, just making the most of having a nice chilled day because yesterday,
We killed our legs again.
yeah, it was hard work. It wasn't too bad, but like you could definitely, we both knew we needed a day of just relaxing. So now we are just going for a walk and we are going over the bridge, and I don't remember where Alex told me.
We're going over to the Abai village. We're going to look at the lake and then we're going to go to Sokcho actual beach.
And it's a very windy day, so we'll see how we get on. We may lose our hats. I mean, how's that for a view off a bridge? Both sides are fucking stunning. Pretty pretty.
and we made it to Sokcho Beach. Good. Very windy. I haven't lost my hat, but I've clipped it 2 weeks.
So you don't lose your hat. Biscuit chocolate thing.
See? Lovely view.
Good evening. So we forgot to film an end slate, so I'm just going to do it just before we go to bed. We went out and had some ramen, which was really good, in a nice little shop that actually felt like a Japanese ramen shop. Then we've just come back and just chilled out. Sorted a couple blogs. We've just really not done much this evening, but it's been quite nice, been needed. Yeah, we had a nice day and we are heading back to Seoul tomorrow. So in the next video we'll be heading back to Seoul and seeing what else we can get up to in Seoul. Because we've only got, I think, 4 more days in South Korea, which is crazy how quickly it's gone, but that can't be seen as a bad thing. It just means we've enjoyed our time. So yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Alex will too, but she's staring at me off camera. Don't you stare at me.